of ruin, all smiling from the high. They sold us sign for profit and left us in the night. So buckle up, the ride is getting rougher. There's no emergency brake, and we are only going to suffer. But look around the wreckage at the jagged metal rust. At least we're in this hell together, grinding into dust. Buckle up. A psychopath in a tailored suit, the master plan to squeeze the final drop of blood out of the common man. They steer the ship into the ice and board the helicopter while we operate the pumps and drown within the water, seething, breathing. The smoke is all we're breathing. The captains of the industry are cheering for the crash. They'll build a castle on the bones and warm it with the ash. So buckle up, the ride is getting rougher. There's no emergency brake, and we are only going to suffer. But look around the wreckage at the jagged metal rust. At least we're in this hell together, grinding into dust. Buckle up. No exit, no brakes, no mercy, whatever it takes. They guide us off the cliff. Watch them smile. Watch them smile. So buckle up, the ride is getting rougher. There's no emergency brake, and we are only going to suffer. But look around the wreckage at the jagged metal rust. At least we're in this hell together, grinding into